3 minutes, 3 fringes. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for being here. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below on what you think about this video. Today's video is going to be 3 fringes in 3 minutes. Yes, I'm going to be showing you 3 techniques that I use on how to cut fringes from a side, from face frame, and a blunt. Reason for this is you guys have been messaging saying, how do you put your fringes in? Whether it's a blunt fringe, there's a blunt fringe on this mannequin. This one is just really textured. But a lot of you have been saying, what do you do when you put, how would you put in a side fringe that sort of frames the face? How do you put those sort of bangs in that everybody wants right now? And then full fringes. Have you got any hair hacks? And I have. So let's get into it. 3 minutes, 3 fringes. Let's get into it. Right guys, so fringe number 1, and it's going to be a side fringe, just so I can incorporate all 3 into this. So we're looking at that center part, and I'm going to be taking it back probably about, what, 3 inches? And I'm just aiming towards the corner of that brow. And that's what I'm aiming for, this segregation or this sectioning on the front. So we want to put in like a triangle section. So about 3 inches back, and then we're just aiming for the corner of that brow. So what we're going to do, we're going to, because I want to work with 3 fringes, we're going to bring it so it sits probably around about the jawline. When it draws over, we want it to sit around about there. So we're going to be taking about this off. So if we look at that, over directing through here, and I like to point cut just to soften off. You'll see as it travels, it gets shorter and shorter and shorter, longer towards there. It's got a nice little bit of framing through there for that fringe. Fringe number 2, and this is the bangs. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put in a center part in. This side's going to be sitting here. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this side over to here. And then what that will do is, like we've just done with that other fringe, you can see, still point cutting. Fingers are still mimicking that section angle through there. And I'm still just point cutting just to really soften off. But one of the biggest things that people struggle with is getting the balance here. So we're going to take it over to this side, but to get a guide is we would just take a little piece of that middle bit there from that side. We bring this over, we can see the guide there, point cut, and then that gives us that really nice sort of bangs, face framing fringe. And again, if you want to go shorter, just go shorter. Third fringe is a blunt fringe, and this is one of the things that people always say, oh, I don't know how to do it. I've got a few ways to do it, but this is sort of like a foolproof way. So I'm a big believer of points of reference. So I'm going to use the bridge of the nose to rest my fingers on. So I'm just going to pull that triangle again, straight out, and this is for the blunt fringe. Rest my fingers in the bridge of the nose, and then we're just pointing that straight off. Look at that. A bang on blunt fringe. Scissors just underneath. Just let that hair fall over the top, and then we'll just refine slightly. And there we go guys, that is 3 fringes in 3 minutes, from a side fringe to the face frame bangs to a blunt fringe. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, let me know in the comments down below if you've liked these express videos, just to show you little things on how I do it in the salon to speed up your time and to help you run more efficiently in the salon. If you want to see more, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up as normal, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video.